In this video, we will talk about how to fix Bluetooth connected but no sound Windows 10. Method 1. Default output. Right-click on sound icon. Select Sound Settings. In Output, choose your Bluetooth as output device. If you can't see it, right-click on sound icon. Select Sounds. Click on Playback tab. Select your Bluetooth speaker and click on Set Default. Method 2. Disable audio enhancements. Right-click on sound icon. Select Sounds. Click on Playback tab. Right-click on your Bluetooth device. Select Properties. Click on Enhancements tab. Check Disable all enhancements. Click on Apply and OK. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth connected but no sound Windows 10. See you in the next video.